Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zivanti 43 inches white dog crate furniture with 3 doors. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Farmhouse and classical furniture aesthetic. This farmhouse dog crate furniture combines Roman columns and iron framing with rustic white tones, adding 3D texture and decorative charm as elegant white dog kennel furniture. Thicker top and strong frame. Featuring a enhanced thicker tabletop and sturdy round metal tubes, this piece offers stable support and refined texture, designed as elegant heavy-duty dog crate furniture large breed for modern homes. 3-door functional design. This white dog crate furniture includes 2 front doors and 1 side door, flexible for corners or living rooms, giving pets and owners easy access and stylish decorative placement. Open view and calm space. These decorative dog crates for medium to large dogs feature an open frame that keeps pets connected with surroundings, reducing anxiety while blending comfort and farmhouse style. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.